Right, hi, it's Stacy, a fat bitch in a chair, and today we're going to talk about easy and how we use the word easy. There's a popular mistake that a lot of Japanese speakers make, which is, for example, I'm easy to catch a cold. I'm easy to do something. I'm easy to get lost in a new city. I don't have a good sense of direction. I'm easy to get lost. But you can't use I'm easy with a verb and then an object. You can only use I'm easy with a verb. So for example, you can say, I'm easy to like. That means it's easy to like me. But you can't say I'm easy to get lost because you are not easy. Getting lost is easy for you. So you should say, in that case, it's easy for me to get lost. It is the subject. Don't say, I'm easy to learn new vocabulary. Maybe you're a great student and you have a great memory. You don't say, I'm easy to learn vocabulary. You say, it's easy to learn vocabulary. Or it's easy for me to learn vocabulary. Don't use I'm easy with a verb with an infinitive or an object. So only a few verbs can be used with I'm easy. For example, I'm easy to love. I'm easy to see. I'm easy to recognize. I'm easy to kill. I'm easy to find. But not I'm easy to find you. Or I'm easy to kill it. No, you can't use an object after the verb if the subject is I'm easy. So, I'm easy to kill, yes. But I'm easy to kill chickens? No. You know what I mean? Use in that case it's. It's easy to... Why do I use kill for an example? Why am I so violent? Let's use find. So, if I were in Japan, for example, you could say, I'm easy to find because I'm not Japanese and I look like a big potato and I have lots of tattoos, so I'm easy to find. I'm easy to see. I'm easy to recognize in Japan. But I can't say in Japan, I'm easy to get confused because I don't speak Japanese. No, it's easy for me to get confused. Are you confused right now? Me too, a little bit. Okay, if you have questions, put them in the comments, and please click like, and please click subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I'll be in this chair like a fat potato.